Welcome to Zeal pre-launch. What you are about to discover is something radical, something that can change your life forever. At the end of this video, we will give you details on what to do next. Firstly, let's ask a simple question. What if money and time were not an issue? What would you do with your life? Yeah, I know, that is a pretty deep question. Seriously though, imagine right now if you had enough money that you could do whatever you wanted. What are the 4 most important things you would do right now? Maybe travel to a foreign country, buy the car you've only dreamed about, buy a new home. Heck, some people would just be happy to get out of debt. You may have something completely different. It's your life, and you are in charge. Okay, so now you're thinking about what you would like to do. The big question is, how do you get there? What are your options? Robert Kiyosaki, best-selling author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, outlines in his #1 best-selling book, Rich Dad Poor Dad, the 4 ways you can make money. Firstly, get a job. You do this so you can have a better life, but you spend all your time at work and end up with no time to live the life you're working for. You know that JOB stands for just over broke. You have too much month at the end of the money. I don't have to tell you that. Option 2, start your own business. Okay, so that seems like a good idea. You invest $50,000 to $500,000 to buy yourself a glorified job. Even if you can make it work, it's highly risky and you will have even less time. Option 3. Bill Gates said, if I had the opportunity to start over again, I would do it with network marketing. So let's recap. You have your why, your dream, and you also have the best vehicle to get there. All we need now is the fuel to get you there fast. Zurvita is pre-launching into Australia now. Zurvita is a proud member of the DSA, or Direct Selling Association, and are growing very fast. So fast that they made it to the list of the top 100 companies in the world. Zeal is an all-in-one nutritional product that contains over 100 nutrients from the most nutrient-dense whole foods in the world. Just shake it and take it. In fact, it replaces 56 other pills, capsules and products. The key is simplicity. It is backed by many healthcare practitioners, including Dr. Scott Van Loo. Let's hear from some people who have been having success with Zeal.
My background is a pizza delivery driver. Last month I earned over $30,000.
I'm a cosmetologist. I've been in the business for 5 months. Last month I made $8,000 part-time.
We own a construction business, Atoka, Oklahoma. In our 3rd month, we made $4,700 working part-time.
I'm a single mother and a full-time nurse. Last month, I made over $3,100 part-time.
I'm a restaurant entrepreneur, and last month, I made over $2,000 with Zeal.
I'm active duty Air Force.
And I'm a stay-at-home mom.
We've been with the company for 5 months, and this last month we made $10,000 with Zurvita part-time.
I'm from Jacksboro, Texas. I'm a CEO of an oil and gas company, and last month I made $17,000 working part-time for Zeal.
G from Edmond, Oklahoma. I'm a special investigator with the government.
I'm a labor and delivery nurse.
And this month so far, we've made over $22,000 part-time with
As you
Zeal.
have just heard, you can get rich. You can travel anywhere you want, when you want to. No boss telling you what to do. No business controlling your life. Work one time and get beach money. What do we mean by beach money? That is an income that comes in month after month after month. As long as people drink Zeal, you get paid every month for the rest of your life. Catch the wave today. Don't miss out on this exciting opportunity. The next 90 days can set you up for life. Imagine being a pioneer in something new, something exciting, something that is so simple, and you get help along the way. Watch the whole story video below and get started. Give it a go. You'll be glad you did or wish you had.